I'm gonna reveal the greeting mistakes that instantly mark you as a tourist. But first you need to know why saying hola all day makes Spanish people think you are rude. Hola, I'm the Spanish Knight, your Spanish coach, and in a few minutes you'll know exactly what to say and when to say it to sound like a local. But there's one greeting that Spanish people use 50 times a day and tourists never learn it. And I'm about to teach it to you. But first, let me tell you a story. My student Lisa from New York visited Madrid last month. She was so proud because she had learned to say hola perfectly. But after 3 days, she messaged me confused. Ángel, why do Spanish people seem cold to me? Poor Lisa was saying hola to the hotel receptionist at 1 p.m., to the waiter at 2 p.m., and to shop owners at 8 a.m. She sounded like a broken record stuck on the most basic setting. Spanish people were thinking, this person has been here for days and still greets like it's her first hour in Spain. But Lisa's biggest mistake wasn't what she was saying. It was when she was saying it. So here's what Lisa didn't know. Spanish greetings change throughout the day, and using the wrong one is like wearing pajamas to a business meeting. Technically you are dressed, but everyone knows something's off. Here you got it. Morning until 2 p.m. Buenos días. 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Buenas tardes. 8 p.m. onwards. Buenas noches. Now let's practice. I'll give you a time. You tell me the greeting, okay? 10 a.m. Buenos días. Perfect. 4 p.m. Buenas tardes. Excellent. 10 p.m. Buenas noches. You are getting it. Great. But there's something even more important than timing. Here's the secret that makes you sound truly local. Spanish people almost never say the full greeting. They shorten everything. Buenos días becomes buenas, buenas tardes becomes buenas, and buenas noches becomes buenas. One word, buenas, works for everything after morning. Lisa started using this, and immediately Spanish people began treating her like a local instead of a tourist guide victim. But there's one more greeting that Spanish people use constantly, and I bet you've never heard of it. The secret greeting is ¿Qué tal? It means how's it going? And Spanish people use it 50 times a day. You can use it anytime, with anyone, and you'll instantly sound natural. Watch this. Buenas, ¿qué tal? Perfect. Spanish greeting that works everywhere. But if you want something more formal, you can use buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Okay? Fantastic. Now you can greet like a local, but it's pointless if you can't continue the conversation. 80% of students panic after hola because they don't know the 5 basic phrases that keep any conversation flowing naturally. In this video, I'll give you the conversation survival kit. Subscribe to Master Spanish Conversations and grab my free pronunciation guide below. I'm the Spanish Knight. Nos vemos. Chao.